Ty Lue, the former head coach for LeBron James when he played on the Cavs, he's actually going to sign with the Los Angeles Clippers as a top assistant coach. Earlier in the summer, when the Lakers were looking for a new head coach, they pretended like they were interested in Ty Lue, maybe because LeBron likes him, but they ended up giving him a lowball offer, so he walked away from those negotiations. But now he's back, and this rivalry is actually hilarious. The Clippers and the Lakers. So now Ty Lue, he's going to be competing against LeBron James for the Battle of LA. Looking back on everything right now, the Lakers have lost a lot to the Clippers. Like Jerry West, one of the best at putting teams together, making trades. They should have found a way to bring him back to LA. That didn't happen. Then, of course, this offseason, when they made the trade, they traded Zubac to the Clippers. And right now, the Lakers, they need a center. DeMarcus Cousins gets injured. They're thinking about Joakim Noah, maybe Dwight Howard. Zubac is nice. He's young. He was playing great for the Lakers, and they got rid of him. Of course, the Clippers took him. And what's funny about the Lakers losing Zubac, his contract is really cheap. It's like $6 million. That's nothing crazy, so they should have just held on to him. When they made the trade, a lot of people were angry that they traded Zubac away. Now the Clippers have Ty Lue. The Lakers had a chance to have Ty Lue on their coaching staff as the head coach. They passed. The Lakers also missed out on Paul George because they didn't trade for him, so then he goes to the Clippers. They miss out on Kawhi Leonard. I mean, let me know what you think in the comments section about the Clippers getting Ty Lue on the coaching staff.